Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to put together this easy, affordable, and very fun makeup look for you guys. I use every product I use as drugstore except one, which is totally, you can just replace it. It's my setting spray, or my mist rather, my Max Fix Plus, but I do give you my alternative for that product. I just don't have it on me at the moment. I know I need to pick that up. But I went ahead and I used the Maybelline Lemonade Craze Palette. I admit I was kind of back and forth. Should I not? Does anybody want to see this? But I was like, lemonade, that yellow. I really do want a pop of yellow on the lid, which is what I did today. Definitely wanted to have a very colorful look. And there's definitely other colors in here that you can do to kind of maybe simmer down. Maybe let me know if you guys want to see a chill look next time. But I picked up mine at Amazon, or on Amazon for $12. I would definitely say it's always cheaper at like Target or Walmart, so I would definitely say check it out for there. But if you don't have maybe like a Walmart, don't have the chance to get to Target, and you want this right away, Amazon, you can buy it online. Same thing for Ulta, but cheap alternatives are always great, save you some money. I just kind of needed it now type of a product and have Amazon Prime, so I wanted it quicker rather than later. But just to let you guys know, I was really impressed. Like, I just think this is like a new little kind of concept for them, so I really wanted to play with it. And you get 12 different shades with a mix of mattes, shimmers, and almost like a glittery shimmers in here. And honestly, I feel like the colors on their own, I think, kind of perform okay just with like a regular eyeshadow primer. But I decided I really wanted these shadows to pop, so I went ahead and used the NYX White Jumbo Eye Pencil, and the results were pretty good. Like, this is what I got. I'm very pleased with it, but it's also very simple and easy. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. Also, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more affordable drugstore tutorials. I hope you guys really like these. Let me know if you're enjoying these very affordable looks, so I can definitely do way more for you, because I definitely do like them. I want to create beautiful looks with affordable products, save myself some money, and then buy even more affordable products. Who doesn't like that? So make sure to subscribe. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for watching. Just to save some time, I already done my foundation. I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, my favorite for dry skin, and I've already done my brows. I use the Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. Love that one so much. I think it's like $5, one of my favorites. And now I'm going to go into the eyes, and because I really want these colors to really stand out and really see, you know, what they can do, with a little bit of help, I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk and really see how pigmented and how crazy these can get, especially that yellow shade. I'm going to go into the shade Berry Ice, and I'm going to take a fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm just going to put that around the crease and see if I'll get some color from this for my overall transition shade. Next, I'm going to take that peach shade Coral Punch, and I'm just going to put that a little bit lower into my crease just to get that transition into a peach. With the white base, I can definitely, that's helping this color stand out, and it blends out pretty easily actually. That's nice. Now I'm just going into my fluffy brush and just lightly blending out that Coral Punch shade. No additional product. Next, I want to take that shade Ice, pop that bright pink, and see what it can do. I actually am going to take a smaller brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their dual-ended brush, but I love using this for that precision, so I'm going to take that smaller end, and I'm actually going to kind of get that precise placement and then blend it out with a Sigma E25 brush. And just little by little kind of adding this, because I want this pink to kind of pop out and fade in, almost kind of get that cut crease effect. Just gonna turn that brush around and lightly blend that out. I'm kind of just blending a little bit over it. I'm not trying to be precise with this blending. You can even go with a little bit of that Coral Punch, just so you can see that transition and blend that out over it. I'm going to go back in one more time with the white NYX Jumbo Pencil and just kind of carve out that crease in preparation for the Lemonade Craze yellow shade. I want that to pop. So we're going to build it up and see how that works. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the yellow shade Lemonade Craze and put this on top of that white shadow base. Ooh. Definitely, if you want that yellow to pop, add a white base. Any eyeshadow that you kind of want to pop and stand out more, a cream base will definitely help this out. And this is definitely building up much nicer. I think without the base, it definitely wouldn't be this like crazy pigmented. So if you want it to this level, that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil is really affordable and you can help any eyeshadow stand out. I'm gonna go in and just add a little bit more of that Ice Pop just to kind of blend that in with the yellow. Just kind of bring that in. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. For underneath my brow bone, I'm going to take the shade Sunnies and just highlight underneath my brow. To kind of start bringing this look together and help me decide if I want to add any other colors, a little bit more depth, I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and I'm going to add my wing, and that'll kind of help me determine from there what else do I want to do for the eyes. Maybe not much. I kind of like that. Sometimes when you do a big wing, don't open your eyes all the way or else you're gonna fuck everything up. All the hard work. Next, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and just go ahead and take that underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And I got a little bit of the red down here, so we can go ahead and kind of basically erase that with our concealer. Oh, I like this. Then I'm going to take my NYX HD Finishing Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes. For my lashes, I'm going to take the Cocoa Lashes in the shade Demi G. So I'm just going to pop those on and I'll be right back. So I messed up. I actually switched my lashes from the Demi G Cocoa Lashes to the ALAMAR Cocoa Lashes because I don't think it was me. I think they gave me two of the same side lashes, or else it was me and I trimmed them incorrectly. So I was like, oops, let's just use a different pair. So that's what we did. And it just helps the eyeshadows pop. So now I'm going to go back into my palette, and I think I'm going to take the shade Ice Pop and just put that underneath the eyes. You can totally just leave it like this, but let's get crazy. And actually, to help the colors stand out, I'm going to take that white shadow base and just kind of run that on my lower lash line. As you notice, I kind of ran it into the inner corner, so whatever shade I wear there is going to stand out as well. And because you're running this through your lashes, make sure that you put on mascara. Unless you want the white eyeshadow or white lashes look. I mean, that's up to you. Oh, look, it's looking crazy. The white eyeshadow is a look in itself. It's I'm okay with it. But I'm going to go in with Ice Pop. And we're just going to run that on the lower lash line. Anyway. Then I'm just going to go in with the shade Coral Punch and just kind of blend that out. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Main Squeeze just to add a little bit of glitter. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Bronze Bronzing Palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take this shade and add some definition. I actually mixed in the two darker shades, because why not? And, ooh, I haven't used this in a while. It's nice. Pretty nice. As I'm getting more and more of the face together, I'm actually really liking this, like, pop of yellow look. Oh. To kind of clean up that contour bronzer, just taking a little bit more of that NYX HD Banana Powder and just kind of slightly baking underneath. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Blush Palette, and I'm going to go in with this kind of more peachy shade, and I'm going to use that for my blush. I really do like this blush shade, and it's peachy, so we'll kind of go with that theme. Now I'm just going to go in and blend off. I'm going to blend the rest of my face. Going to go back into that blush palette and take this highlighting shade. I went ahead and set my face with MAC's Fix Plus. This is the only non-drugstore product that I am using today, but my other alternative is the Pixi Glow Mist, which I love. So I have to pick that up so I can put into my drugstore tutorials for you guys. So only thing better, like, I got an alternative for you. So if you have it, definitely use it. So I went ahead and added mascara to my lower lashes, and I used the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. Now for lipstick, always the most difficult part for me. Definitely wanted to use one of my Maybelline lipsticks. I definitely think you can go with a kind of peachy shade. I wanted to try a more vivid rose shade, a hot pink, to go with this look, because let's make it a little crazy. So let's try it out. Oh, I forgot how much I loved and missed this color. Maybelline Vivid Rose. So that is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely liked playing with some more colors, stepping out of my comfort zone, and I must agree, I love that I went with the hot pink Vivid Rose shade. Like I said, you can definitely go with a more peachy shade. Maybe if you want to do a more nude, you know, kind of, you know, simmer down a little bit with the lips since the eyes have so much going on, but I definitely think this is just a very playful, fun summer look that you guys can try out. I'm gonna admit, I wasn't sure. I was like, am I gonna like this? And I was like, we're gonna make it work so you do like it. Very simple, very easy. But if you guys haven't picked up this palette, I definitely would say, I feel like there might be some mixed reviews, but for me, I was just like, maybe I wasn't 100% confident. So I did go in with that NYX Jumbo pencil. So if you guys did feel like maybe you bought it and you're like, I don't know, I really thought it was gonna be more pigmented or colors would stand out more. I look at this and I was like, wow, the colors stand out how I want it to. So you can pick up that very inexpensive product from NYX and you can make this palette amazing. I think on its own, it's good. It's fine. With that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, this is like quality, like higher end type of like pigmentation going on here. So there's always a way to make it work, and I'm just glad I did, and therefore I was like, okay, I want to play with this palette a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, quick tutorial, little mini recap of the palette. I picked up mine from Amazon. You can also get it at Walgreens, Target, or Walmart. I would definitely suggest Target or Walmart where it's going to be cheaper. But